Hey guys. Chances are you clicked on this video because you are frustrated. You are at the point of desperation that you're about to throw your phone out your car as you go down the highway. Let me start by saying that I get you and I feel you and I am there also. My name is Kendall Meadows, and today we are going to talk about the InShot Video and Photo Editing app for the iPhone. Now, I am speaking from personal experience. I am not a tech guru. I don't even typically make videos like this, but I am also at the point of sheer desperation and frustration that I am trying to give you a little bit of my insight to maybe make your life a little bit easier. So, as I said, InShot Photo Editing app. I know you're frustrated, so we're gonna get right to it right away, and I saved all the catchy commentary for the end of the video. So, what we are talking about in this video specifically is that you work hours, days, months on a video. It's perfect, it's pristine, it's crisp, it's beautiful, and when you go to hit save, it loads all the way to 100%. And at that last second, when you are about to jump for joy, it says, file failed to convert. Right? Right. Okay, so as I said, I am not a tech wizard. I don't even know why this happens. However, I have tried a lot of different things. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. But I am giving you my best advice because quite frankly, I don't know what to do either, but I can tell you more about that at the end of the video. So, number one, change the mode that you are saving the video. Instead of saving it in 4K, try to save it in 1080p. I've done that sometimes and it will save right away. Other times it won't. Number two, try to trim a little bit of the video off the front, somewhere in the middle or at the end, just a little bit, and try to save it again. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. Number three, at the front screen of the application, click on the three dots and copy the video. Try to save the copied file. This has never worked for me personally, but on online forums, it has worked for some other people. Number four, this is a little bit of a lengthy explanation. As I said, I am using an iPhone. Because I am filming all of these videos, my phone gets full quickly, and I actually needed to call Apple support. Apple support walked me through looking at this stuff inside of my phone. I don't know why this happened, however, YouTube on my phone was taking up about 25 gigabytes, gigabytes, not megabytes, GB, of storage on my phone. This shouldn't be happening. I don't know why it was happening, but it was happening. So we removed YouTube, turned off my phone, turned back on my phone, and reinstalled YouTube, and that helped for a little bit of time. At the same time that I did this, which can also be step 5 or option 5 for you, I had the easiest time using the InShot app on my phone when I didn't put anything in the iCloud. I was pulling photos and videos directly out of my phone's memory into the app and exporting the video right into my phone. You know as well as I do, there's not a lot of memory in the iPhone, so this only worked for about 2 weeks and then I had to turn the iCloud back on. In the meantime, I did buy an external hard drive that I can plug into my iPhone and move videos off of my iPhone. But I am fearful to move the videos back into my iPhone because I just don't want some type of virus. Tip or trick number 6. I realized recently the InShot app was taking up 8 gigabytes, 8 GB of storage in my phone. I can only surmise that this is happening because I add music to the app from Epidemic Sound. Sometimes I also make stickers out of my own images, and sometimes I download sticker packs. I think that this caused the app to take up more room in my phone than it was supposed to. So, if you're like me and you only edit one video at a time because you're so fearful that they're never going to save, as soon as your video saves to your phone, delete the video out of the InShot app, delete the InShot app, and then reinstall it. All of these options suck equally. And then you're gonna have to re-download all your music from Epidemic Sound, re-download all the sticker bundles. But quite frankly, I don't know what else to tell you or myself. I'm equally frustrated. Okay? So now I think we are at the portion of the video, and if you've stuck around this long, hooray, hoorah! Consider giving me a like and a subscribe. Like I said, I don't typically push out technology videos, but I might if there is a fan base for my catchy humor. This is really not even humor. This is desperation. I am so frustrated. I am a college student, and I am pretty sure that I can get Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, all of it for free. However, I want to make videos from my phone. I don't want to make videos from my computer or my tablet. I want to make it from my phone. This is my hobby. I like going the easiest route from A to B, and that is filming it on my phone, editing on my phone, exporting, putting it into YouTube, all in my phone. And I think that you can agree with me when I say that the InShot app is, it's perfect. It is a perfect app. It's flawless until you get to the saving process. And I could literally hit my head on the wall about how frustrated it makes me. Okay? Okay. I guess we should throw in there tip number 7, which is sometimes it does just take a little bit of time. This past weekend, I tried to save my video 8 times in a row. Tried to save it at 4K, tried to save it at 1080p, tried to shave a little bit off, turn on my phone, turn on the phone, offload the data. I gave it about 4 hours and tried again, and miraculously it worked and saved in 4K. I truly don't think that there's any rhyme or reason as to why and when and why not these videos don't save. I've been using the InShot app since March, and we are now going into June, so I feel pretty proficient with the app. And what I was gonna say earlier with Adobe is that I did download Adobe Premiere Rush or Adobe Rush for my phone, and I did use the free version. However, I was not excited about the app because I had the hardest time just trying to figure out how to put a simple title into my video, how to add stickers, getting music onto the app. It's just, everything was so much more complicated, and that's why I love InShot, and that's why, despite the frustration and the sheer desperation, I still continue to use this app because I love it. And the thing is I would willingly pay for the app. I have the $14.99 subscription to InShot. I would pay more because it works that well. Forgot what I was gonna say next, hold on. Now I remember. So it's not like I haven't tried to find workarounds for these things. I went to InShot's website and there is no contact phone number. There is an email, which I did try emailing. I never got a response back. The only way that I seem to get responses back is sometimes on Instagram. I asked a question a couple of months ago on Instagram and somebody responded. They said to trim a little bit off the beginning or the end of the video and resave it, and miraculously, that time it did work. I responded thanks and smiley faces, and they responded back with emojis, and I was like, wow, this is like a real person. Okay. And then I was editing a vlog that was very important to me, and it took many days to edit, right? And then it wasn't saving, okay? Okay, you know where we're going, right? So I got back on Instagram and I was like, hey, still experiencing the same issue. They were like, please submit a technology support ticket. I was like, I already have 3 times for the same exact problem and I haven't really gotten anything back yet. Becky, okay? So I explained to them the issue. I gave them lots and lots of details. And then as if they had these messages saved in a database, they copied and pasted what they said to me above, trimmed some off the front and the back of the video and try saving it again. Ooh, frustration. Okay. So I responded, I did that and it still didn't work. Is there a place where I can find technical guidelines? What's the word? Tech support. Is there a way that I can find some sort of like field guides, tech support guides, anything? No response, crickets. So that's why I'm making this video. Also, when I would go to YouTube and I would go to Reddit and I would go to forums, I never found a real answer. There were some things that people had tried and sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't. And there seems to be this revolving frustration, but there's not really a community of answers. And on YouTube, I was frustrated because I couldn't find any videos in English that were tutorials. I don't know what language they were in, and I appreciate your effort. I just couldn't follow along, and I couldn't understand what was being said, and I don't have an Android, and I feel like a lot of the times they were working off of something that wasn't an iPhone. Tons of videos about how to use InShot, but no videos about how to deal with these problems. So, this is where we're gonna end this video today. I just wanna say again that I see you, and I hear you, and I feel you. It's frustrating, okay? My best advice is to take a deep breath, and I know that it's freaking hard, and I'm a hypocrite because I don't do it. And I'm busy. I'm a mom, I've got 3 kids, and I'm a full-time college student. I wake up at 5 a.m. most mornings to edit my videos and to save them. And my mornings get off to a shit start when I've worked so long and the videos don't save. So I hear you and I get you. And if there was an answer, I would give it to you. But I'm hoping to create this community that we can just pass along information to each other and get through this. And InShot, if you're watching this, please, 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 please let us know what to do. Please.